Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Adobe Stock Contributor and signing in with your Adobe ID. If you don't have one, create it now. Once signed in, click the Upload button and select your prepared high-resolution images or vector files. You're doing this first to ensure metadata workflow flows smoothly. Make sure file formats meet Adobe's requirements like JPEG or EPS. Now, drag files into the uploader and watch for the green progress indicator so you know each file transferred successfully. Once files uploaded, you must add metadata. Write a concise title and enter strong, relevant keywords. Adobe recommends 5 to 50 keywords. You'll also select categories and mark whether a model or property release is required. Upload release forms when applicable. While adding keywords, use auto-suggest but refine it to avoid irrelevant terms. Make sure orientation and asset types are correct. This step is critical because accurate metadata directly affects discoverability and reduces rejection risk during review. You submit the asset for review by clicking Submit for Review and then monitor its status on your contributor dashboard. If the asset is accepted, congratulations, you'll start earning when it licenses. If rejected, read the reviewer feedback carefully, correct technical or metadata issues, and resubmit after editing. One key troubleshooting tip: if uploads fail or hang, clear browser cache, try a different browser, or use the Adobe Uploader app. This often resolves file transfer or validation errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.